everyone, I am down a very windy beach today and this is my first signal, so I thought I'd turn the camera on and we'll have a look. So it's blowing a gale down here, 50-mile-an-hour winds they've given for today. Somewhere. That was it, wherever it was. Still aluminium can. Alright, just got another signal. 86, 87. It is so windy down here. I've got my back to the wind, so I hope you can hear me. And look at that. Second target. We have a ring. Can't really see it that well because my eyes are absolutely terrible, but yes, we have a ring 2 weeks in a row. It looks a bit black in there, so I think it's a junk one. Well, it is still a ring. That's made the night or the evening right there, just finding a ring. Right, see you soon I hope. $54. Probably a bit of rubbish, but you never know. It's gold colour. Don't know. Probably off a handbag or something like that, but so we got the right colour. $94. Penny or 2p. I think we missed it. No. One vape. Second one I've got so far, same colour. The other one was on the surface, so I picked it up, put it in my bag, just to get it off the beach. Oh, these things are a bane. Got a 64. There. Yeah, I can see it. Tempe. Literally just dug 10p. Now got 84. It's very hard tonight, this evening. It's just so windy. Oh look, pair of sunglasses. Yep, pair of sunglasses. Found a little fish. $65. Is that it? Yeah, bolt top. Just dug a 86 out of that hole. It was very scratchy, but it was because it was deep. But now it sounds lovely. It's €1. €1. The sand's been stripped off to expose some pebbles, so I'm just doing those bits. But I don't know if you can see how windy it is. Yeah, that's how windy it is. It's hard work, hard going. $55. Doesn't sound deep. Oh really? I was not expecting that. I actually thought 5p, and we've got a gold ring. Well, I'm guessing it's gold. 55 should be. Look at that. And I thought about giving up and going home because it's so windy. I think I'll stay a bit longer now. That has definitely made my evening. Only the second one of the year. Oh, well happy. Right, hopefully see you soon. Got a 77. be a bit big. Oh, I got it out, whatever it was. And there's a can. Right, I'm going home soon. Can't put up with this wind anymore, it's hard going. But I just got a 68, 70. £20p. £71. Sounds like it's on top. Should be 20p. Probably be my last target because I'm going home because I've had enough. So see you in the wrap up if I don't see you before. Right, I am still walking off the beach. 64, 65. It was 64, 65, oh, I better put a light on. That's better, isn't it? I think it's small. Okay, lost it. I've lost it. Bear with. Right, it's over here now. I suppose I can't hear anything because of the wind. It's got to be something small. What's that? Oh. We have an earring. And the back's still on it. I'll best have a look for the other one just in case. Yeah, earring. Haven't found an earring for a long time. Right, I am going home soon. Hello everyone. This is a quick wrap up from the beach hunt I had last night. It was, well, windy, very, very windy. It was hard going, especially walking into the wind. It was, sand was hitting your face and it was just hard going. You know, even trying to swing your metal detector is hard. Had about 3 hours on the beach, I think, roughly. So it was a short hunt. Anyway, I found 2 vapes. One I dug, one was on the surface. I think I dug that. I did dig that. That was sticking out like that, so I pulled it up. Got the usual bottle tops. Dug that one because that sounded nice. Most of these were just on the surface, so I pick them up. Ended up with 2 20s, €1, a 2, and a 10 pence. Not that many coins. Found a junk earring. It was an iffy signal. It was a good signal, but one way with an iron grunt the other way, so I dug it to have a look, and it was a junk earring. Also found a hairpin, same thing, good signal, one way, iron grunt the other. Got a little rose on the top. So I actually thought it was electrical when I dug it. Didn't know it was a hairpin till I looked earlier. Surface find, fish or shark, don't really know, but got a pair of sunglasses, cheap pair. Found this earring. Did look for the other one but couldn't find it. Rose gold, plated, but on the shaft it has got 925. So a nice little earring there. Got this ring, second hole I think this was, and I actually thought it was a junk ring, copper with whatever over the top, but it's actually stamped 925. So we got a silver ring, second hole. And then towards the end of the night, I got this ring, stamped 375, so 9k. I actually thought it was going to be a 5p, and it was this. So that made my night. Well, the both rings made my night. Gold and silver. So yeah, happy with that. Only the second gold ring I've had this year, but always nice to find them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.